Hello, this is Christy, and today I would like to talk to you about referrers in your ConvertKit embedded forms. When you embed a ConvertKit form onto your page, blog, or whatever in the footer of your website, ConvertKit starts to record how many people see that form, how many people load that page basically, and how many times the form is seen and how many times people subscribe to it. And it shows you in the backend, in your backend account in ConvertKit, it shows you the number of subscribers and also the number of visitors. If you see this example here, I have a form embedded on the website and it says it had 71 visitors and 46 subscribers. And it also shows you the conversion rate. And below that, it shows you the top referrers. That means how did people arrive, where did people arrive on that page to see that form. Now this is it's quite important. It's interesting to see this information, but it's not always very accurate because you can see the top referrer in my list here is unknown. What does that mean? In web lingo, unknown referrer means the referrer header in the browser was blank or empty or not specified. The referrer means the previous page that the visitor was on before they arrived at your page. So when the referrer is not specified, it means that the page impression was direct, such as when someone types that address directly in the browser and opens the page. Search engine bots also don't provide the referrer header. So in these situations, typically the referrer is empty. So this of course doesn't help you too much. What other situations are there that could be that the referrer is empty? So it may boggle you, but you would like to know maybe where your visitors come from to see how your campaigns are doing and everything, and it's quite frustrating to see the top referrer being unknown. And I want to just tell you a few reasons why that header might not be specified. One, it could be that the visitor typed that address directly in their browser. So if you have your ConvertKit page form embedded on your home page and people type your address in their browser, they open a new browser window and they type your website address and they arrive at your page, that would be no referrer because they typed the address directly. Second, it could be if they visited the page from a bookmark. If they have your website bookmarked in their browser, then there is no referrer header. Another reason could be that they have clicked a link from an external application. Maybe you sent someone a PDF with a link to your site in it, or they have opened your email in an email program and they clicked on that, like Outlook and everything. There will not be a referrer header for that one. Another reason could be they changed the protocol from HTTPS to HTTP, meaning they have moved to your site, and then from the HTTPS page they move to a non-secure version. That is when the header is not specified. So they move from a secure version of a link to an insecure version. Another reason could be if the visitor has some kind of security software installed on their computer, such as antivirus, firewall software, or if they are behind a proxy. That could be behind a proxy in their business network at their work. Company corporate networks have proxies usually, and these typically could strip the referrer headers from their requests. And another reason could be that it's just a bot, Google search bot that comes to your website to crawl and index your website, and other bots like Ahrefs and SEMrush, Bing bot, any kind of robots kind of crawling your website. They do not also specify the referrer header. So generally, it's not really something you should put too much emphasis on, especially from ConvertKit point of view. If the header for the referrers is not specified, don't make such a big deal out of it. You should probably have other ways to track your visitors and see where they go and where what pages they view on your website. And although it's nice to know in this section in ConvertKit how many people view your forms and where they come from, unless you have a very small traffic, and this is not really going to tell you so much. So I hope this helped you to clarify. Please don't forget to subscribe. I will be posting more ConvertKit videos in the future, and thanks for watching.